Good morning everyone. I am Ritika again, your EVS teacher. So, in the previous class we read about the cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And we also read about Clean India Mission and about Mahatma Gandhi. Right? So, let's revise together. Clean India Mission. Clean India Mission. It was started on 2 October 2014 under Indian government and the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Right? तो महात्मा गांधी की याद में क्यों मिलेगा? Why? Because Mahatma Gandhi loved cleanliness. और किसी को याद है? Somebody remember that what have I told you? What have I told you about the cleanliness? Just a minute. Sorry. What have I told you about the cleanliness? That महात्मा गांधी के आश्रम में जो भी आता था, whoever come to महात्मा गांधी's ashram, what was the task to do for entering the ashram? Cleaning the toilets. Why? Because this is the most difficult work. And Mahatma Gandhi used to think that if someone can clean the toilet, then he can keep himself clean. That's why. Okay. ये तो बात हो गई महात्मा गांधी की. स्वीपर्स के बारे में हमने बात की थी. स्वीपर्स आर एस टेकर्स, व्हाट डू दे डू, क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं. राइट नाउ टुडेज टॉपिक इज ओपन डिफिकेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी what do you mean by defecation? What do you mean by defecation? Defecation means open में बाथरूम वगैरह को यूज कर. Using bathroom, so if you want to use lat bath, you don't have, right? So that is the defecation. And many of us, even in villages also, everyone goes in the morning to defecate themselves in the fields. Whenever we go by the train, we always see in the morning near the railway tracks there are many persons sitting with the jugs. So this is not good, beta. This is not hygienic. This activity is not hygienic. ये hygienic नहीं है. Why? See, we are defecating in the open. What happens? The germs, the flies, the mosquitoes sit on that, and these flies sit on the food. They carry germs. These flies carry germs. जो flies वगैरह हैं उन defecated portion पर बैठते हैं. Then they took the germs from there and then come to your home. They sit on your food and then they just rub their. एक बार उसको ध्यान से देखो, कंसंट्रेट करो, उसको ऑब्जर्व करो फ्लाई को. Fly always rub its hands like this, so it just leave the germs there and we eat that food and then we became ill. Food poisoning, loose motion. What happened with this? Food poisoning. Open food खाने से क्या होता है? Food poisoning and loose motions. It is the result of open defecation. We defecate in the open and its foul smell, इसकी बुरी स्मेल पूरे एरिया में फैलती है. Do you like to live there? No, I just don't like this. Right? So I think you will also not like to live there. So we should not defecate in the open. This is the very bad activity. Very sad. activity है, right? But the problem is, if someone is poor, he cannot afford a modern lead bath. Then what to do? So for such type of person, government is giving the facility. Government is giving them ready-made lead baths. You must have seen in the Nagarpalika, in front of Nagarpalika also. There are 2 trolleys are standing with mobile toilet. Mobile toilet में चलता फिरता toilet. इसके साथ में खड़ी रहती है. It goes in market also. It goes in Chhamni also. Everywhere. And government has set up public toilets also for everyone, free of cost. Somewhere are charges and somewhere are not. Right? So we can use them now. And in the houses also, government is giving you money. What the government is giving you? Government is giving you money. For what? Making toilet. गवर्नमेंट आपको पैसे दे रही है, ठीक है. आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, डोंट हैव मनी, ओके, टेक दिस एंड go and prepare a toilet in your home, but don't defecate in the open. Okay, this was the thing about the hygiene. ये तो open defecation की बात हो गई, hygiene की. अब हम बात करते हैं कुछ पर्सनल की. Please don't mind, many of the girls are also here, so please don't mind about it. But this is the very serious task. In our city, you must have seen our moms and grandmoms and our neighbors. They live with the parda system. They have the ghungat, right? Whenever any elder person come to your house, they just keep the ghungat on your face. They do not show their face. अपने face को नहीं show करती हैं वो. मम्मी है, दादी है, आसपास की आंटी वगैरह को भी आपने देखा होगा, है ना? But when we goes to fields for the defecation, then what happens? Is it good? We will not show our face. We will not show our face. And we will defecate in the open. Just think about it. Just think about it. Is it good? Means we are having the parda system inside and outside of the home. Then what about the defecation? Is it good for women? No. This is not good. ये वुमेन की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान करता है. वुमेन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. The elders of her house said, "You will not show me your face. This is not good. This is so shameful thing." So women covered their face. Women covered their face. Whenever the elder person come to our house, anyone, women always just covered their face. They have a long ghungat. And when it comes about the defecation thing, they go in the open and defecate. Is it the good thing? I don't think so. So parda system is, if you want to follow the parda system, then follow it everywhere, na? Follow it everywhere. So everyone is saying, just make the toilets at your home. Don't let anyone, whether it is a woman, whether it is a boy or a child, old person, anyone, don't let them go outside to defecate. Okay? Yes. In the story also, there is a story also about Ganga. There is a story about Ganga. It is saying that Ganga's bhai and bhabhi, Ganga's brother and his wife, they live in the city and now they are coming to village. So Ganga is so much worried. Why? Because she used to saying, oh my god, my bhabhi lives in the city, I don't know how do she live, she has a very big house, so clean, tiled house, marble floor, and I have the kacha house with only one room. How will she manage, how will she live? So Ganga's bhabhi told her that, Ganga, there is no mean about the big house or the small house, about कच्चा हाउस और पक्का हाउस. इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है बड़ा घर है छोटा घर है कच्चा है पक्का है कैसा है. There is no mean. There is just mean that the house is clean or not. Suppose I have the house with 10 rooms. I have the house with 10 rooms, but all the rooms are looking so dirty, so filthy. Like no one can sit there. There is no place to sit. Will you like to sit? No. But you have only one room house, and it is so neat and clean. You have the proper place to sit on. So I will go and oh my god, I can sit there. That is a chair. That is a bed. I can sit there. Then what is the use of these 10 rooms? What is the use of these 10 rooms if I cannot welcome a guest in one room? So what is the use of these 10 rooms? उन 10 कमरों का मुझे क्या फायदा हुआ? कोई खुश होकर के मेरे घर में बैठ नहीं रहा है, right? So just think. Ganga's bhabhi also advised that this thing that cleanliness is the most important for us. What she said, cleanliness. सफाई ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिग हाउस इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. घर बड़ा हो छोटा हो कैसा भी हो, कच्चा होगा पक्का होगा, बट वहां पर सफाई होनी चाहिए और आपका मन होना चाहिए गेस्ट को बुलाने का. आगे अरे यार ये आ गए, खाना बनाना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा. So what will the guest think? यार नेक्स्ट टाइम तो नहीं आएंगे, चलो की बात तो आगे, नेक्स्ट टाइम तो क्या करेंगे आकर, उनका मन तो नहीं करता, राइट? सो योर हार्ट शुड हैव द प्लेस टू वेलकम. ओके, गंगा माता भी तो कहानी ये थी. नाउ हमने ओपन डिफिकेशन के बारे में भी पढ़ लिया. ओपन डिफिकेशन जान गए क्या होता है. ओपन डिफिकेशन में से क्या क्या नुकसान है. हाइजीनिक प्रॉब्लम. सपोज हम वहीं पर ही डिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. वही पानी बह करके नदियों में जा रहा है, वही पानी आपके घर में आ रहा है. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? सो ओपन डिफिकेशन इज नॉट गुड. व्हाट इज द ओपन डिफिकेशन? इसके हार्म्स क्या हैं, इसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या क्या आपको बेनिफिट्स दिए हैं, क्या क्या काम कर रही है वो भी मैंने आपको बता दिया. एंड पर्दा सिस्टम के बारे में बता दिया. वुमेन की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को, ओपन डिफिकेशन वुमेन की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को कैसे हार्म पहुंचा रहा है. एंड अगली बार कोई भी गेस्ट आता है उसके लिए हम सफाई होनी चाहिए. बड़ा घर छोटा घर इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. वेदर यू हैव अ बिग हाउस और यू हैव अ स्मॉल हाउस, इट इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. Okay, now and for today's class, today's topic is over. We will take a second topic on tomorrow about cleanliness should be our habit. Okay, bye bye, stay hydrated, have a nice day, enjoy your studies. Bye.